Hi guys, I am Sikandar Rafiq, and in this very short video I will show you a very simple control menu developed in Qt Qml. Here you can see that this is a super category, and then we have a super category. Super category is denoted by SC1, and then we have a category C1, and then we have items with images. So here we have another category C2. You can have as many categories and as many super categories as you want. This is the second super category SC2. Then we have another category C3. You can specify different labels, labels, category names. Then we have items. So this is 3 levels menu control, and this control can be extended to multi-levels. Thank you so much for watching this video.